Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Robin's Treehouse, and if you're new, welcome. Today's book is We Are Growing, woohoo, by Lori Keller, and this is also a Mo Willems book. So, this one's a bit long, okay, so you're gonna have to just sit with me now for a little longer. Piggy, look at this new book. It is as exciting as watching grass grow. Okay, because it is watching grass grow. Exciting! Let's read it. So it says, boing! What was that? Oh, I think I just grew. Look! Wow! Oh, you did grow! Look at that! I just grew all by myself. Cool, huh? I know. I made it so easy. I made it look easy. But growing is hard work. In fact, ha, ping! Hey, I just grew. Oh. Bam! Wee! Zap! Beep! Honk! Ooh, wow, they're all growing. We are all growing! That's what I just said. You are growing tall. I am the tallest. He is the tallest. Oh, wow. You are growing curly. I am the curliest. You are growing silly. I am the silliest. We are pointy. We are the pointiest. You are crunchy. I am the crunchiest. Pop! I am the dandiest. You are a dandelion. A weed. Ugh, I've been called worse. So, what are you, Walt? Me? Huh? Yeah. Well, I'm not the tallest, or the curliest, or the silliest, or the pointiest, or the crunchiest, or the dandiest. So then what is he? What am I? Oh. Ooh. I do not know what I am. Ooh. Thud. It's okay. We will help you. That's good. I'm gonna help him. I know you are, never mind. Hey, yeah, maybe not. Let me think. So what are you? Hurry up, Walt. Tell us, Walt. Come on, think, Walt, think. You can do it. They don't know. They just don't know. Buzz! Oh no! Buzz! Oh no, he's cutting the lawn! Ah! Oh no! Eek! What a mess! Oh, what's happening now? I am not the curliest anymore. I am not the tallest anymore. We are not the anything-est anymore. Oh no, because the lawnmower came. Do not worry, you will grow again. We will? Yeah! We will grow again. Grow. Never heard grass do that before. Before we grow, let's clean this place up. Hey, I think I know what I am. I am neat. You are neat? You are neat. You are so neat. You are the neatest. I am the neatest. We are all the something-est. Oh, they're so happy. They're all something now. This book is the funniest. Yeah, I love to read. Me too. Well, do you know what that makes us? Yep, we are the readiest. Oh, Piggy and Elephant, you're so funny. And that's the end of that book. Wow, that was really good. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Good night.